All right, guys, as promised, here's another case setup for the Thinborne lineup. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone Air. And we're going to crack into these and we're going to show them to you. They've got some new colors that are out. And boy, do I like this blue. This is the sexiest. Oh, man. You got to love it. I've already shown you, if you haven't seen the other video with the Samsung setup here, the Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7. Here's a quick, I love these deep red colors here. So yeah, they are coming through on the new color game here. I'm so glad to see these Amaranth fiber cases really do well. So in this one, looks like, okay, finally I have some kind of, man, they are doing it, man. Oh my gosh. This is called getting your money's worth. You've got a lens protector that I will be putting on. And I already have a tempered glass on there, but this is the complete setup. If I didn't have my Green Bay tempered glass on here, I in fact would put this tempered glass on, but this is going to be a good backup for me. But I am shocked at the level of just value to consumer. I'm excited about it. So first thing I want to do is put this lens protector on. So let's just clean this off this way. I don't need to use a wet wipe or anything. Maybe I should, but I have my own microfiber cloth here. Let's go ahead and let's do it. Let's use what is given to us to make it official. Shout out to Thinborne, man. Oh my gosh, they are coming through with the heat. Shout out to Thinborne, coming through with the heat. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And that is definitely going to be spotless. And then we'll use number 2 here. It says to do. Number 2, this is the dry cloth. I wish there was just a dust removal tool in here. Sometimes these right here, sometimes they leave a little residue behind. But it looks like this one is clean. So we're going to sit this down here and we're going to get this off. And what you do is you just peel this off like that. And then you just press it down on there and it'll adhere to itself. Boom. You just, oops. Oh, it already popped off, but yeah, it'll stay on there as long as you clean it off with the wet wipe and everything. And then you just press on it for maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Theirs comes off pretty easy. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. I've been looking for a lens protector for the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I don't know if they'll have lens protectors for that, but if it does, we'll see here in just a moment. But let's get to the case. Ooh, this blue. Now, first, got to get this off. They're giving the protection here. Now, one thing about the Air, which you'll notice, is there's more slots for the camera since it's so thin. Because what you're going to see when I pull out this case for this 17 Pro Max, since it's thicker, you get a more covered area around here more than likely with all these cases. But these ultra thin cases for the iPhone Air are so thin, you have more cutouts, and that's the only thing I don't like about them. But other than that, this blue setup, oh man, this is just so thin. This is nuts, man. I love the raised camera bump here, area to protect the camera. And I like that it's black. You know, I've got another case for this and it's like a brushed gold looking color and it looks good for what it is. But this is absolutely beautiful. You're getting like the ultimate camera protection. This entire bar is protected. Now, something people might not like is that the entire bottom is open. The camera is so thin, you got to have it like this. And then you got this side open. But other than that, man, I am rolling with it. I'm loving it. I'm rocking with it. This is really, really fire. I see it. All right, Thinborne, you're doing your thing, man. I am loving this. Okay, let's go. Let's get on to the 17 Pro Max as we open up here. Look at this beautiful brown color I chose to go with. Ooh wee. And again, oh, they opened it up on here. They opened it up. You got a camera protector. Okay. I'm gonna put this on. Because you have obviously a tempered glass, but I have a matte tempered glass on there already. But they have it open on this company. So Thinborne has theirs open. Other companies have this covered. They don't have it open like this. Okay, I'll stand corrected. Let's get this portion off. This is a beautiful. I went with a brown color. It's eclectic. It's different. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and put on the 9H hardened camera protection module. This is going to be really nice. Okay. So it's going to go on like this. So let's use the same wet wipe. We'll open it to a different spot here in the internals. And we'll get this all nice and cleaned up. Because I'm making a huge exception here because if you guys know, I don't like the way this camera module looks. But Thinborne, you get an exception and you get a pass because this case, these ultra thin cases are freaking beautiful. They are beautiful. Wow. Got that nice and clean. All right. I'm looking at the light. Make sure it's reflecting well. And then now we're going to take this off and set it down on there. This is a thick boy here. It just goes right on just like that. Yep. And now your module is for sure protected. That boy is protected. Oh, and I'm going to fire up the camera too, because this thing is all adhesive. The entire thing is adhesive to make sure it stays on there. And then look at here. Look at how that's protected. Now, this is something that you definitely want to use with a case like this. Let's fire up the camera real quick. I'm going to take just a real brief look at the cameras. Yeah, the cameras look good. Cameras look great, folks. Cameras look good. So now let's put on the case. Ooh-wee. And it balances right on out, folks. It's perfect. It should, because this is a combination that is made together. So this should work. And I also like that with the matte screen protector. I think this looks fire with this case, man. Oh my gosh. And now again, in this situation, if this phone was blue, I think it would look better with this brown combination or just anything darker. But I do like that it stands out. And now I have like this big TV screen up here. But nonetheless, folks, Thinborne has done their thing. These are all MagSafe compatible. This is for those people out there who you just don't want, man. You don't want to wear a case, but you need the protection. Oh, let me fire up the camera on here. My apologies. Oh yeah, the camera game is working. It's working. Yeah, it's all in. The camera's working good. So yeah, Thinborne is doing the most, man. They're giving you lens protectors, screen protectors, cases. They're giving it to you all in, folks. I gotta say, I'm impressed. You did your thing, Thinborne. This is a complete package. And I'll rock out like this for a little while, especially on this one. I'm gonna keep this one like this. I'm rock. This is my new setup right here for the Air, because I don't like to wear cases full time if I don't have to. And obviously these ultra thin cases, they do the do. So this one right here, I'll leave it like this for a time being because I did put that protector on there, and I'll see just how I feel about it after a while. But anyway, it's your man Jay. Link to purchase is down below. And remember, if you didn't see the other video, they're coming with the holiday season. These are their new colors right here. This red, this brown, this blue, and you can get these on different. This is just what I chose, but you go with the combinations that you want to go with. But I'll leave a link in the description. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.